What's the meaning of backpacker? Backpacker. Backpacker.
Backpacker. Backpacker. A backpacker is a type of traveler who typically undertakes budget-oriented and often adventurous trips to various destinations around the world. The name comes from the fact that backpackers usually carry all their belongings in a backpack, which allows them to travel light and move more easily. Backpacking is often associated with youth and free-spiritedness, and it has become a popular way for people to explore new cultures and gain a deeper understanding of the world. While backpacking can be seen as a type of tourism, it generally places more emphasis on experiences rather than luxury accommodations or expensive attractions.